I am going to be doing a co-wash on my 4C hair. As you all can see, this fro needs to be tamed, and it's been about 2 to 3 weeks since I did a good shampooing, and my hair is not super dirty. I just really need to kind of rejuvenate it and refresh it, so I'm going to do a co-wash. So if you want to see me tame this beast of a hair, stay tuned. So I really honestly don't co-wash my hair that often, which sounds bad, because I usually just shampoo, condition, do the whole little deep conditioner thing. But like I said, my hair is not super dirty, so I just want to kind of clean it up and refresh it. So I'm going to do a co-wash. The co-wash that I'm going to use is this As I Am coconut co-wash. Now that you guys see it, that's what it is right there. Now this is the only co-wash I've ever used. I haven't used another brand before, but if there is a brand that you guys would suggest that's really good for 4C hair, please be sure to comment down below, because I would definitely be willing to try it. I don't mind trying new things on my hair. But when it comes to all the things I do put on my hair, I always make sure that I look at the ingredients that's in it, because a lot of stuff can really break your hair up or break your hair out, and you have to be careful of those ingredients. It could say it's sulfate free or has no alcohols, because that's what I try to stay away from: products that have alcohol, products that have perfume, and all the other bad stuff that most of you natural people know about. So this coconut co-wash has tangerine, coconut oil, obviously, castor oil, saw palmetto, yeah, and tangerine. Oh, that's the Spanish stuff. So yeah, it doesn't have that many ingredients in it, the main base of it. And then of course the other ingredients is, it's just the basic stuff. Like I said, it's no alcohols or anything in it. So I'm just gonna use this just to co-wash it. I usually don't even use an actual conditioner after I co-wash, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite conditioner, which is these Coconut Curls conditioner by, what is it, OGX, yeah. And this stuff really super hydrates my stuff. Like, my hair for some reason gets so dry, so I have to get so much moisture in it and lock it in, because if I don't, my stuff is gonna be super dry and super brittle, and it's gonna like hurt just to even like touch it. So yeah, the Quenching Coconut Curls, and it just says drench your curls. This neutralizing blend, this nourishing blend with coconut oil, sweet honey, and a twist of citrus oil helps to enhance natural softness, boost decadent spiral curls, and tame frizz for beautiful tumbling waves with a bounce and a shine. So after I use this conditioner, I should have a bounce and a shine. We'll see. And then after I shampoo, condition, co-wash and condition. And like I said, I usually don't even co-wash or condition after my co-wash. I just need to lock some more moisture into my hair. So after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and use one of my go-to products, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Just to, like I said, lock in some more moisture. And I'm almost out of this, guys. Let me see if you guys can see it. I'm almost out. So I really don't know how I'm going to stretch this little amount for all of this stuff on my head, but I'm going to make it work. I'll definitely be ordering some more of this for my next video, probably for my wash day video, which will probably be in the next two weeks or so. So with the leave-in, I'm also going to use the Main Choice Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture, and this is sealing cream. So this is just to seal all the moisture into my hair, so I don't get dry and brittle. And this is, like, as you can see, one of my also go-to products, because it is ate up. Like, the bottle looks a mess, but this is what it looks like. And I get most of my products, my hair products, from Target. You guys can go to, like, I don't know if it's at Sally's, so I'm not gonna say Sally's, but you guys can go to like the regular hair store. But to me, like, the hair stores, they be trying to bust your head open and cheat you out your money, because that stuff is way more expensive and way more overpriced than it is just at Target. like Target's literally my favorite place. You guys probably hear me talk about Target a lot in our videos. So yeah, just check it out. Target has everything. So I would definitely recommend getting your hair products from there as well. If you're natural, even if you're not natural, get your hair products from Target because the hair stuff is gonna bust you open and it's just not good. So after all of that, I'm gonna just super seal everything in with, of course, my virgin coconut oil, organic virgin coconut oil. And it's just this right here. I'm almost out of this too. So yeah, I'll probably do a haul video of hair supplies one of these days. Because it's definitely time to re-up on some more. I'm getting super low. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash. I'm gonna jump in the shower and co-wash. I can't take you guys with me because that'll be too much work and then I'll have to find something to shower in. So I will see you guys once I get out. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back from washing my hair, or co-washing my hair. So as you can see, of course my hair has kind of shrunk a little bit. I went from that big super puffy fro to this kind of tiny fro. But as you all know, the shrinkage is real. So I am just going to go ahead and section it. Having this super kinky 4C hair, the best way to work with it is in sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna be precise with my parts or anything like that because I'm just twisting it up, nothing fancy, no super defined twist, just something so I can sleep on it and it kind of have some type of fluff in the morning. So I'm gonna just kind of turn, just kind of do like a, I'm not even gonna use a comb, I'm just gonna go through it with my fingers and just section it off. My first section I'm gonna work with, and then I'm gonna put everything else up into a, into a little puff here. Grab something from out of here. Just gonna put it up with my little egg shape. So this is all the amount that I'm working with for right now. Just this amount here. And like I said, that co-wash, it really cleaned my hair. I don't know if you guys can really see the part, but let me take this back down so you can kind of see in my scalp. Like I said, it wasn't dirty before, but let me get it closer so you guys can see. It wasn't dirty before, but that co-wash really cleaned it. And like I said, I used that OGX conditioner, the coconuts. Is it still in the shower? The coconuts. The coconut curls. I'm sorry, the coconut curls, and that gave me a lot of moisture. So what I'm gonna do now is take my little bit of black Jamaican black castor oil that I have left. Since I don't have much, I usually would take each little twist and put it on there like that. And I'm just gonna put it on each section. So instead of each twist, I'm gonna do each section and just distribute it all through, kind of rake it through. So each part of my hair from root to tip gets that leave-in conditioner. So that already is starting to elongate my hair, and it's already starting to feel super moisturized, and it kind of helped it detangle. So when I was co-washing it, I was in there doing it also in sections and kind of detangling it as I was distributing the co-wash in my hair. Just like I'm pretty much just doing the same thing I was doing with the co-wash with this leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna detangle it again because this stuff gets super kinky. And I didn't have that much breakage, but just a little bit. And like I said, next time I do a wash day, I'm probably definitely gonna cut my ends, because if my ends were cut, I don't think I would have as much I wouldn't have that much hair breaking off. So I'm gonna go ahead and first detangle with my white tooth comb. And okay, nice and detangled, very easy to work with. Now I'm gonna get the coconut oil, and separate into the 2 pieces. I'm gonna twist now. A little bit more. Starting to get a little dry. I also like, I don't know if you guys can see, but well, I've wiped it now, but when it starts to build up, when I'm twisting tighter and tighter, I just rub the product down into the part that I'm twisting in. Okay, so you guys kind of get the concept of what I'm doing. So I'm not gonna twist my whole head on camera, because if so, we'll be here all day. So I'm gonna finish up twisting, and then I will be back. So I will see you guys then. All right, guys, so I'm finally finished twisting all of this hair up. It took me probably a good hour and a half, so I'm finally finished. So this is pretty much the final product, or the final look, and this is the last thing I do to my co-washing process. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. If you like videos like this, be sure to turn your post notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post or that we post. And yeah, just make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the results, the twist out results that I'm going to do in the morning, make sure you get this video to 2 likes, and I will definitely post it for you so you guys can see what this what the outcome of this is going to be. So if, like I said, if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss anything from us. And that's pretty much it, guys. So until next time.